How to make pheasant feather fans. First, you're going to need birds. So be sure to steal eggs from parents. And then incubate the eggs until the babies hatch. And then don't reunite the parents with the babies. Put them in crates. One lady Amherst yields 2 super long feathers. And because fans require 60 to 100 feathers per fan, you're going to need a lot of birds. Pheasants are still kind of wild. And when they're in cramped conditions, they like to fight. So be sure to put blinders on their beaks. Feed them highly processed bird feed. And then put it in a litter box. And then off to slaughter.
Standard pluck, gut, and ready to go. And with a hen bird, we're going to be skinning it rather than plucking it. It's much faster, much easier to get the breasts out. Finish. Take out the tail feathers individually or in groups of 2 or 3, but try not to take where the breasts are. Just about here. That's where we'll make a little incision and then
So there you go. That's how you make pheasant feather fans. Maybe it's time you use faux feathers.